Hello students, now our next point is addition of capacities. In that the question is given, add 7 liter 89 milliliter plus 25 liter 600 milliliter. So for addition we have to make first two columns, that is liter and milliliter. So liter and milliliter is given. In that we'll put the value according to the place value of the column. So 7 is in ones place, so 7 ones place of the liter, 7 liter 89, so 9 is on the ones place of the liter, so 9 is in ones place, 8 is on tens place, so 8 is on tens, and nothing is on 100, so we'll put 0 on 100, plus 25. Now 5 is on ones place of the liter, so 5 is ones place and 2 is on tens, so we'll write 2 on tens. Now 600 ml, so we'll write that as per the place value of their digits. Now we'll make the addition starting from the ones column of the ml. So what is the answer? 32. 32 is in liter, so 32 liter 689 milliliter. So your answer is 32 liter 689 milliliter. Next is given subtraction of the capacities. Subtract 98 liter 950 milliliter minus 65 liter 890 milliliter. Two columns we have to make first, liter and milliliter, and place the value as per the place value of their digits. Now we'll do the subtraction by the ones column of the milliliter. What will be the answer? 33 liter 60 milliliter. So with this we'll start our exercise 4.11. This is similar, only the headings or the titles are changed, liter and milliliter. So first addition is given, 14 liter 570 milliliter plus 75 liter 440 milliliter. Starting from ones column of ml, 0 plus 6 is 6, 7 plus 4 is 11. Count after 7 up to 4 fingers, that will be 11. So 1 is in answer place and 1 carry over to it. Next, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 0 is in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 0 is in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, so answer is here 90 is in liter, so 90 liter 16 milliliter. Next you try this. Next I'll do, that is 32 liter 621 milliliter plus 63 liter 243 milliliter plus 2 liter 437 milliliter. Starting from ones column, 1 plus 3, count after 1 up to 3 fingers, that is 4. 4 plus 7, count after 4 up to 7 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 is in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 2 plus 4, count after 2 up to 4 fingers, that will be the 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 carry over is 10. So write 0 is in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 is in answer place, 1 carry over to its next. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8. And 3 plus 6 is 9. And nothing is there, so 0 will consider. So 9 plus 0 is 9. So write 9 here. So answer is what? 98 liter 301 milliliter. So I hope you can try the remaining sums. We'll go for question number 2 now. Arrange in columns and add. Now we have to arrange the particular values in the columns and then we have to make the addition. So first 65 liter 890 milliliter. So 65 in liter column and 890 is in ml column. Now plus 21 liter. So 21 in liter column and 450 in milliliter column. Starting from ones column of the milliliter, 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 5, count after 9 up to 5 fingers, that will be the 14. So 4 is answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 3 is in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 plus 2, count after 6 up to 2 fingers. So your answer will be 8. So what is the answer here? 87 liter 340 milliliter. Now next is given 23 liter 450 milliliter plus 11 liter 67 milliliter plus 32 liter 400 milliliter. So first we have to make the columns liter and milliliter and then put the value as per the columns. Liter, so 23 is in liter column, so first we'll write 23 is in liter column, then 450 in milliliter column. Then 11 liter, so 11 liter column and 67. Now 67 is 2-digit number, so first write the value as per the place value of their digits. So 7 is on ones column, so we'll write 7 is on ones column. 6 is on tens, so 6 is on tens, and nothing is on 100, so we'll put 0 on 100 place. Now next is 32 liter 400 ml. So 32 is in liter column and 400 is in milliliter column. Now 0 plus 7 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 6, count after 5 up to 6 fingers. Your answer will be 11. 11 plus 0 is 11. So 11, 1 in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 carry over is 9. Now next is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So answer is what? 66 liters 917 milliliters. This is how you can solve. Now next question is subtraction. So first we'll see 53 liters 210 milliliters. So minus 26 liter 116 milliliters. Starting from ones column of a milliliter, 0 minus 6. Now first number is not bigger than second number, so subtraction is not possible. So what we have to do, we have to take a borrow from it next. If we take 1 from it, how many will remain here? 0, right? So 0 and 110 plus 0 is become here 10. So 10 minus 6, count after 6 up to 10. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 4. So you will write here 4. 0 minus 1. Again 0 is smaller than 1, so subtraction is not possible. Again we have to take a borrow from it next. Now 2 is here. How many will remain if we take 1? So 1 will be remain, right? And 110 plus 0 is become 10. Now 10 minus 1 is possible now. So 10 minus 1 is, count after 1 up to 10. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 9. So we'll write here 9. 1 minus 1, 0. If same number is there, their subtraction is 0. We have seen the property. Next 3 minus 6. Again 3 is smaller than 6. Not possible subtraction. So we'll take borrow from it next. Now 5 is there. If we take 1, how many will remain here? 4. And 110 plus 3 is become here 13. 13 minus 6. Count after 6 up to 13. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13. So how many? 6 plus 1, 7. So 7. Now next 4 minus 2. Count after 2 up to 4. That is 2. So answer is what? 27 liter 94 milliliter. This is how you can solve. One more will take. Next is what? 521 liter 425 milliliter minus 213 liter 333 milliliter. Starting from ones column of milliliter, 5 minus 3, count after 3 up to 5. After 3, 4, 5, that is 2. So 2. 2 minus 3. Now first number is not bigger than second one, so we have to take a borrow from it next. Now 4 is there. If we take 1, how many will remain here? 3. And here 110 plus 2 is become 12. So 12 minus 3, count after 3 up to 12. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. So how many? 9. So we'll write here 9. 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 minus 3. So 1 is not bigger than 3. So we have to take a borrow. So here 2 is there. If we take 1, how many will remain? 1. And here become 110 plus 1 become 11. So 11 minus 3. Count after 3 up to 11. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 8. So we'll write here 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 2, count after 2 up to 5, that will be the 3. So 308 liter 92 milliliter. I hope you can try remaining four sums. Next question is arrange in the columns and subtract. So 78 liter 90 milliliter, so 78 in liter column and then 90 in milliliter column. Then 56 in liter column, mine 860. So now 860 is 3-digit number, so put the value according to the place value of their digits. So 0 is in ones place, so 0 is on ones place. 6 is on tens, so 6 is on tens, and 8 is on 100, so 8 is on 100. Now above no 100 place is there, so for that you will put 0 in a 100 place. So now this, for do the subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 6 is, count after 6 up to 9, that will be 3. 0 minus 6, 0 minus 8. Now 0 is smaller than 8, subtraction is not possible, so we'll take borrow from it next. So if we take one borrow, how many will remain here? 7. And here 110 plus 0 is 10. 10 minus 8, count after 8 up to 10, that will be 2. Now 7 minus 6 is what? 1. And 7 minus 5, count after 5 up to 7, that will be 2. So answer is what? 21 liter 230 milliliter. This is how you can solve. Remaining sum you can try. So here we have finished our exercise 4.11.